In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create templates from scratch using the template builder inside the customer's Canvas hub. As an example, we'll build a business card template, but keep in mind, the same workflow can be applied to other products as well. Along the way, you'll learn how to manage fonts, set design dimensions, style your text, and prepare your template for use. Let's open the customer's Canvas hub and get started. All assets you use for your projects, mockups, templates, images, and fonts, are managed in the Assets section. Let's head there first. Before building our design, we need to make sure the fonts we want to use are available in the library. Let's go to the Fonts tab. In our example, we'll add a new font. Click New, create a folder named after your font, and upload the font files. That's it. The font is now available for our template. Now let's switch to the Design section. This is where all your design files and templates are stored. Here you can either upload a ready-made design in PSD or IDML format, or create one from scratch with Template Builder. In this tutorial, we'll go with the second option. Click New and choose Design File. Give your design a name, select a preset if you'd like, or set the width, height, and number of pages manually. You can also set the bleed line. These parameters can always be adjusted later if needed. Now we're inside the Template Builder, where the actual design process begins. Let's start by setting the background for our business card. You can choose a color from the default palette, enter CMYK values, or upload an image. In this case, we'll go with a solid color fill. Next, let's add a placeholder for the company logo. Select the rectangle shape tool and draw the area where the logo will go. To make it a dynamic field, open the Behavior tab on the right and enable the placeholder toggle. A cloud icon will appear inside the rectangle, showing that end users can upload their own logo here. We'll add another rectangle to visually separate the information on the card. Now let's add text fields. In the toolbar, choose the Text tool and place a text field where you want it on the template. We'll start with the company name. Select the font from the library, the one we uploaded earlier. Then adjust the size and style. The text field now matches the design style we want. To speed things up, right-click and duplicate the text field. We'll use the copy for the slogan or tagline and style it just like the company name. Continue adding text fields either with the text tool or by duplicating existing ones. Once everything is in place, select the fields along with the logo placeholder and align them neatly. Let's move to the Pages tab. Rename this page to Front Side. And then create a second page called Back Side. On the back side, we'll add a placeholder for an image and a text field for the company name, similar to the front. Once everything looks good, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner. To preview the result as an end user, click Test. This will open the design editor where you can try out the template and see how placeholders and text fields behave. And that's it. We've created a basic business card template as an example. Now you know how to upload fonts, build shapes and placeholders, add text fields, and align your layout. The same approach can be used to create templates for many other products. If you have any questions about creating templates, feel free to visit our website or get in touch with our team. We will be happy to help.